Hi, I'm Leo Barrett.
And I'm Kurt Wiggins with Heidelberg. Today we're going to talk about fountain solutions and alcohol replacements. Right now we're in front of our 75 Anacolor, and as you can tell we have a fountain solution and an alcohol replacement. We're going to go through the labeling and how it'll say a certain ounce per gallon to reach a certain reading on your conductivity meter, and likewise we're going to show you how to properly use a Brix refractometer.
Very good. Thank you very much, Kurt. Okay, I have already taken a sample of what we have mixed. Typically, we would mix a 1 gallon mixture. We would follow the directions on the container. Every fountain solution type and number, whether it's Saphira or anyone else's, the numbers will change. Typically, you're going to have about 500 micromodes per ounce. We would start off with 4 ounces per gallon of the 203 fountain solution and 2 ounces per gallon of the 303 alcohol replacements. Never mix the two fountain solution and the additive together in a single cup. Make sure it's diluted with water before you add the replacements so they don't separate. Now, to measure conductivity, we have a conductivity meter. Conductivity is the measurement of electrical fields that you're going to calculate for certain materials. So we can read water. We can start off with the water. I'm going to look for roughly about 2,000 conductivity above the water. If my incoming water is 0, then I'm looking for 2,000. 0 conductivity on water is not good. It means the water is too soft. Alright, so I turn my meter on, I have it on conductivity, I submerge it into the mixture. This particular meter is temperature controlled, so it will calculate the conductivity per the temperature. It is also important to have your temperature of your fountain solution at least 60 degrees because of alcohol replacement. It's a common mistake for printers to run it in the 50-degree range, but 60 degree is much better. Once this is stabilized, which it looks pretty good, we're at 58 degrees, right around the 60-degree mark. Like I said, this is measuring 2200, which is absolutely perfect. I was looking for 2000. The incoming water, this press is using a water hardener also, and that's bringing it up to 200 to have a slightly hard water. We can measure the amount of alcohol replacement by using a Brix refractometer. Now, what a Brix refractometer is, it's a device that's used heavily in the wine industry to see how much alcohol content is out there. Also the beer and liquor industry. And it's used, we're testing the sugars in it. You can also buy these that will test antifreeze and many, many other products. This particular one that we have is temperature controlled. Temperature controlled is always good. And the scale is from 0 to 10%. If you get a real true alcohol Brix refractometer, the percentage is going to be into the 30 to 50%, and it's just too difficult to read. On the Brix, we want no more than 2.5 at its very top, depending upon the lubrication that we're looking for to prevent picture framing at the press. So to measure this, never dip the entire device into the water. You should have a little dropper. I can drop some water on here. I close the lid. And then I hold this up to the light like a microscope, and this is right at 2%, which is again where I expected it to be.